Training? Enrique. Abel. Yeah, Cynthia.
Lolo. Mano po.
Oh, Enrique, ikaw pala yan. Nasaan yung mga iba mong kasama?
It's Josh, Lolo. They'll be home soon, though.
Josh, teka. Nakalimutan mo na ba? Kailangan natin lutuin yung lumpia. Alam mo, paborito ng lola mo yan at sawa na yun sa pagkain sa ospital.
Yeah, let's cook before everyone gets back. Then we could all leave together. Oh, Lolo. Do we not have any more carrots left, Lolo?
Oo, marami pa. Nasa frigidaire, nakalimutan ko lang ilabas. Kinuwento na ba ng nanay mo sa'yo kung paano kami napunta rito sa Canada?
Yeah. She told me when I was younger. Something happened to Lola's friend?
Sundalo ako nun sa Pilipinas. Bata pa nanay mo. Martial na nun. Karoon ng mga curfew. Yung mga hindi sumusunod kinukulong. O kaya'y babarilin. Wala akong pinatay. Sino man, ha? Wala! Yung lola mo, tako, ginawa namin ng lahat. Pero, marahil nakalimutan na ng nanay mo ang nakaraan. Ngunit, kapag may masamang pangyayari, kailangang protektahan ng pamilya. Protektahan. Ang pamilya.
I had no idea, Lolo. I didn't realize it was like that. I never really thought about it, but I think you made the right move coming here.
Yung lola mo, siya ang dahilan kung bakit kami umalis. Katuwang ko ang lola mo sa lahat. Siyempre, gusto namin ang aming mga anak magkaroon ng magandang buhay. Yung best friend ng lola mo, nahuli. Sumali kasi sa protesta. Sana'y may nagawa ako. Ilang araw, iyak ng iyak ang lola mo. Walang humpay. Kaya, nagretiro ako sa militar at iniwanan namin ang Pilipinas.
I'm sorry, Lolo. I'm glad you did come, though. I can't really imagine being there. I get why no one wanted to talk about it, but I still appreciate you coming here. Lolo, you forgot some stuff.
Pareho kayo ng lola mo. Pati mga mata ninyo, magkahawig.
Hello?
Joshua, it's Tita Mars. Your mom isn't doing too well. I just wanted to call and check up on you. Pauwi na kami. How is he?
He's okay. He keeps talking about Lola, though. How far are you guys? I don't want to keep lying to him. He thinks we're leaving to visit her soon.
We're close. I'm sorry. Just hang on a little longer. You're not alone. Kailangan manggaling sa ating lahat. Okay? Be strong for him. Malapit na kami. We're almost there. See you soon.
Oh my god, Lolo, please, just...
Sino ka? Hindi kita kilala. Lumayo ka sa akin.
Lolo, it's me.
Palabasin mo ako. Gusto kong makita asawa ko.
We can't. Please. Please, Lolo, just calm down.
Oh, okay ka ba? Kailangan mo ba ng tulong?
I'm sorry, Lolo. I don't know if I can do this. I just wanted to protect you. I need to protect you. You're my family, but I'm not.
Lolo? George? Ikaw ba yan? Ang laki mo na. Oh, bakit ka umiiyak? Nandito ang Lolo. Ayos na, lahat na.